This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. North Suffolk Townhouse Awaits. Welcome to the spacious 3-bedroom and 2.5-bath floor plan, great for entertaining and daily living. The large open entry offers a flex area, which is great for an office or even a virtual classroom. The open floor plan of the dining room, kitchen, and family room makes it great for the chef of the home to prepare meals while not missing any of the excitement of movie night. Storage is found throughout with deep closets, large pantry and even an attached garage. The relaxation of a fall night can take place in the private fenced backyard situated along a wood line, and will be enjoyed by all members of your household. Upstairs, be ready for oversized bedrooms and unload your Wayfair cart, for the master can even handle the king-size bed you have been dreaming about. The tall ceilings and bright light add to the charm and warmth that flows throughout.